So I'm down in the workshop today, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a little series of videos. So subscribe to our YouTube channel or wherever you're seeing this video, follow us, because what we're going to do is we're going to follow these two containers from the beginning of their journey here in the workshop right through to the finished delivery. So what we've got is we've got two 20-foot shipping containers going to one customer that are being modified. So as you can see, we've got a 20-foot used shipping container here, and the doors have been removed on this end, and a roller door will be installed on the front end of this container. All the way behind me there is a second 20-foot container, and it's also having a roller door, but slightly different. Let's head over and look at that container. Okay, so this is the second 20-foot container that we're working on for this customer, and I am at the shipping container door end. So the other container had the doors removed and was being replaced by a roller door. For this container, what we're doing is we're keeping the container doors, but we have an opening on the side for a roller door. So two very different configurations. It allows for a different type of use, having the container doors remain on and have a side roller door. So it gives you dual access to the container. Whereas with the other ones, we're simply replacing the container doors with a roller door. Now, a roller door does make a shipping container a very functional storage area. These big container doors here are quite heavy, and they are designed to lock tight for goods to be shipped on ships, trains, and trucks. But if you're using your shipping container for another purpose, such as a spare room or some kind of storage area, a roller door means that you can easily access the container by simply unlocking one lock and rolling the roller door up. There's no jostling with container handles and heavy container doors, which does make it very, very usable. Okay, so here we are. We've got two containers going to one customer. We are going to follow them from the original second-hand container and cutting these openings to installing the roller doors, getting the paint done, and showing how they're going to be delivered and installed on site. So like I said at the beginning of this video, if you want to follow along, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the little bell icon so that you get notified when new videos are posted. Or if you're seeing this video somewhere else like Facebook and Instagram, follow us so that you see the next video in this series. If you would like to find out more about getting a shipping container with a roller door, please call our team on 1300 556 991, or you can visit our website and explore all the different types of container modifications that we do at www.containersfirst.com.au.